So what can you do if your charger is simply not supported? Like how can you fix unsupported charger on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe for more because I publish a lot of tutorials like this one. But anyways, there are a few things you can do. At first, you should obviously use the genuine Apple accessories or at least check the MFI certification, which stands for Made for iPhone or iPad, which should be found on the cable, right? If it's there, then you know that the cable is faulty, but it has been made for, the original. It's like, it should be working by default. It's made for iPhone, but it just simply stopped working. But there are also some other things which might prevent the charger from working. There is the dust and the debris in the Lightning or USB-C port, because sometimes the issue is simple as that, right? Like you can use a non-metallic tool like a toothpick to gently clean the port. Just pay attention to it, right? Make sure you don't damage it in any way. Then you should also check out the power outlet and adapter because there might be some issues with that. Just make sure that that part is working correctly so you can try plugging the charger into different outlet to rule out any power supply issues. So if that doesn't make any difference, then of course, check out your update section of your iPhone, ensure you run the latest version, and also try restarting the phone to ensure that some kind of glitch isn't really causing the issue for you. But I believe that if you check all of the things and play around with your port and check out the accessories like the outlet and everything, then you should make the charging process to work properly. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to fix it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.